But why is he doing like this? Did you just see what he was doing? I don't know what exactly he's doing and why he was doing. I think something is stuck in his mouth or something. That's the reason. Exactly, I don't know, but something is there. That's the reason he's doing like this. But just check the beast. What a musket. Just majestic. This is absolutely majestic. Just see those muscles. Just see that body. Absolutely majestic creature. Very, very powerful.